Did you know that one man worked 14 years just to marry the woman he loved? Jacob fell instantly in love with Rachel the moment he saw her. Her father Laban made him a deal. Work 7 years and you can marry my daughter. Jacob agreed without hesitation. For 7 long years, he labored faithfully, counting down the days until he could call Rachel his wife. Finally, the wedding day arrived. There was celebration, dancing, and joy. But when morning came, Jacob discovered he had been tricked. Under the wedding veil wasn't Rachel. It was her older sister Leah. His heart was shattered, but his love for Rachel never wavered. Laban offered another deal. Work 7 more years and Rachel will be yours. Without missing a beat, Jacob said yes. 14 years total. Most people today won't wait 14 days for what they want, but Jacob's story teaches us that when God places a divine purpose in your heart, true love will always persevere through any trial, any waiting period, and any sacrifice. Follow for daily faith motivations.